I was in the chorus of Irma La Douce and auditioned for the lead in I Can Get It For You Wholesale. And I was told, you'll never get it, they'll never give it to you. I had no experience. I mean, I almost never even talked. And then they cast me. What? Really? I mean, I really worked hard, but so what? And now they could ask me to come and sit with all of them as they're casting the show, having the final callbacks. And there are people there, and now here's somebody called Barbra Streisand. And the man who wrote the original novel, the book that became I Can Get It For You Wholesale, which was a movie before it was a musical. His name was Jerome Weidman. And Barbara was performing on stage. And he turned to me and he said, what do you think of her? And I said, she's brilliant. And she's presenting herself just like how I think and feel about me. She's really scared. I mean, and she's so inhibited, you know, in her way. She's brilliant. So then after you finish the rehearsal, the audition, she did, Miss Marmelstein, she did When a Bee Lies Sleeping in the Palm of Your Hand from House of Flowers. And she did one other song, which may have been I'll Tell the Man in the Street and Everyone I Meet that You and I are sweethearts. And then they said, thank you. The audition's over. Next person. She was like, and she had not had very much experience. She had done one off-Broadway play. And then she said, would somebody call me? And she recited her number. And I had to really drill myself to have it. So when I went back to the Alvin Theater, which became the Neil Simon Theater, where we were doing Irma La Douce, I called her and I said, I thought you were great and brilliant. And she said, I'm singing at some place tonight, come and see me. I said, no. I think you're going to be in the show. I think you're going to get it. And that's when that's how that was. And we didn't appear in anything else. We've never been on screen together.